Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a SOAPUI project. I'm going to use an open source web service that is available online, which is Calculator web service. Just go to your Google and search for Calculator web service. You will get the web service link. Just click on that and click on the service description so that you will get the visual file. Just copy it to your clipboard. Come back to the SOAPUI. Click on file, new SOAP project. Give the project some name, training calculator, and in the visual path provide the visual path and make sure you are selecting the option create sample request for all the operation and click on OK. Once you've done that, all the operations will be imported into the SOAPUI tool. You are seeing two options for the SOAPUI, that is Calculator SOAP and Calculator SOAP 1.2. 1.2 is the latest version. I'm going to use the 1.2 version only for all the tutorials. If you see, there are 4 operations that got imported into the web service, that is add, subtract, multiply and divide. And if you expand the add operation, you can see a request. So just double click on the request so that it will open. Once it got opened, you can observe that there are 2 question marks, which are basically the input parameters which we need to pass. I'm going to add 2 numbers, 5 and 4, and just click on the green arrow. Once I click on that, I'll get the response from the web service by adding the 2 numbers as 9. So this is how we need to import a web service and perform the add operation with the service definition. In my future tutorials, I'll tell you how to create the test suits, test cases and test steps and all, but before that I would strongly recommend you guys to go ahead and read about the SOAP structure and how the REST services will work. So basically there are 2 kind of web service. One is the SOAP service and the second one is the REST service. SOAP is a protocol where REST is not a protocol, so you can get all the details by just googling. Just search for the words SOAP structure. You can get tons of materials over the net. From there you can learn how the SOAP is structured and how it is working, how the request is designed, how is the response. Basically it will have an envelope, it will have headers, it will have body, and it will have fault contents, everything. So just make sure you are understanding completely about the SOAP, REST architecture and all, so that it will make you better on the service side testing. Before you start working with the SOAPUI tool, I would recommend, there are a lot of materials available over the internet. In the next tutorial I'll tell you how to create the test suits. Till then, bye bye.